How to install YouTube app in your laptop, Windows 11 or desktop computer. So first things first, launch a browser of your choice. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm using Google Chrome. Then of course we shall be using Google as a search engine. So search for YouTube, as you can see on your screen right there. So once the search results come up, make sure that you visit the YouTube main website. So we head to the YouTube website, and of course right there, you just head to the right hand top corner of your screen and click on the three dots as you can see on your screen. So once you click there, of course, this pop-up will come. Scroll down and click on cast, save, and share. Then, of course, they'll provide you with a couple of options: install YouTube and, of course, create shortcut. But we shall click on install YouTube, as you can see. Then a pop-up will come up and just click on install right there. So once the installation process is done, depending on the speed of your internet, another pop-up will come, a notification will come asking you to pin YouTube on your taskbar. A taskbar is that bottom bar on your screen. So go ahead and say yes if you want to pin the YouTube app on your taskbar. So that is that, and that is how you can quickly install YouTube app in your computer. So let us close everything and make sure everything is working right. So we are going to reopen or relaunch the YouTube app we just installed to just check if everything is working perfect. So once we launch the application, of course, the YouTube app will open up on our computer or our laptop. And of course, now we can start making or performing any searches of our choices. So that is how you install YouTube app in your computer. If you have liked this video, please, thank you very much. And if you haven't, please also subscribe to the channel right there. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video update. So that's how you can install YouTube app in your laptop or desktop computer. Maurovia. Bye.